Artisan Food Processor by KitchenAid is powerful, reliable, and versatile. The food processor slices, chops, grates, dices, and mixes fruit and vegetables accurately and efficiently. What can you achieve with it? With the multi-purpose stainless steel blade, you can chop, puree, and mix ingredients. The mini multi-purpose stainless steel blade is a smaller version of the multi-purpose blade and fits in the mini bowl. It performs exactly the same functions, but for smaller portions. The 8mm dicing kit is an innovation unique to the Artisan Food Processor. You can use this kit for chopping vegetables and fruits, such as potatoes, onions, mangoes, and melons, into 8mm dices. With the adjustable slicing disc, you can produce anything from 5mm thick slices to wafer-thin slivers. This is possible thanks to an external lever. Use the reversible shredding disc for grating hard vegetables and fruits such as carrots, potatoes, or apples. One side of the disc produces fine strips, and when you turn the disc over, you will end up with medium-sized strips. Use the grate-shaped disc for grating hard cheeses, processing ice cubes, and shaving chocolate. Make sure that the ingredients are well chilled, otherwise you will end up with a sticky mess. Use the French fry disc to cut potatoes into French fry shapes. All these discs and the dicing kit can be used in both the work bowl and the prep bowl. Use the citrus press to squeeze the juice of citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, limes, or grapefruits directly into the work bowl for lovely fresh juice bursting with vitamins. The egg whip fits the work bowl and will help you to whisk egg whites as well as double cream. Use the dough blade to create different types of dough for bread, pizza, pasta, and lots more. The Artisan Food Processor by KitchenAid produces professional results every time.